Welcome. My name is Furkan Enes Davarcıoğlu, and today I will be presenting project for statistics in engineering. The title of this study is a statistical analysis of fast food pricing in Turkey. Factors affecting menu price. The question I'm looking to answer is simple. What actually determines how much you pay for a fast food items in Turkey? Is it the nutritional content or something else completely different? What drives price? Take a look at this. On the left, a large portion of fries from Burger King. On the right, a garden salad from McDonald's. Both cost exactly 150 Turkish lira. But the fries give you 1,215 calories, while the salad gives you just 22 calories. That's a 55-fold difference in caloric value for the exact same price. This is the paradox that motivated this research. If nutritional contents were the main driver of price, these two items should not cost the same. So what is actually driving the price? And to answer that question, I manually collected data from 8 brand fast food chains in Turkey. Burger King, McDonald's, Domino's Pizza, Popeyes, Arby's, Subway, Sbarro, and Usta Dönerci. All data was gathered in April 2026 directly from the company's official websites and mobile applications. The dataset contains 312 individual fast food menu items described by 20 variables, including energy, protein, fat, carbonhidrat content, price, product category, and several derived features. Okay, the cleanup. Before diving into the analysis, I needed to address a data quality issue. The original dataset contained 316 items, but 4 of them were full portion döner products, 50 gram and 1,000 gram serving, priced up to 1,820 Turkish lira. You can see on the left how these extreme values completely distort the box plot, compressing every other company into an unreadable band. After removing this for outliers, the maximum price drops from 1,820 to 560. And the distribution became interpretable. All subsequent analyses use this cleaned data of 312 products. When we perform an outlier test on the new datas, outliers still appear in the minimum price. But the side items included in the category, such as fries, such as nuggets, are among the fast food consumed as a meal in Turkey, And the hierarchy. Now, the central finding. When I ran a one-way ANOVA to test whether prices differ across companies, the S statistic was 44.40. This signaled strong effect in the entire study. A separate ANOVA for products category produced F equal to 25.27. Also high significance, but weaker than the company effects. What this means is that the brand you buy from matters more than what type of products you buy. Popeyes and Burger King cluster at the bottom, while Domino's and Arby's sit at the top. Brand identity is the number one price determinant. So, the illusion. If brand and category drive price, what about nutrition? This is where the illusion breaks down. I built a multiple regression model using all 4 nutritional variables as predictors. The result, R squared equals 0.06. That means all 4 nutritional variables combined explain only 6% of the variation in price. 94% is determined by something other than what's in the food. Perception, we see cost. So, what does add value? 2 things catch my attention. First, products labeled as premium. Things with words like king, X large, double, or deluxe, etc., etc. Cost on average 62 Turkish lira more than standard products. This difference statistically significant with PAQ 0.0003. The second, beef-based products are priced at approximately 89 Turkish lira higher than chicken-based products. This is meaningful. So perception and protein source both matter, but nutritional content per se does not. It continues the disagreement. One of the most interesting findings from the analysis of Burger King and McDonald's price is based on 9 pairs of similar products. Hamburger versus hamburger, Big King versus Big Mac, nuggets, fries in 3 sizes. The parametric paired t-test gave p equal 0.058, just above the threshold. So technically we failed to reject. But the Wilcoxon Sinat rank test on the same data gave p equal 0.036, a rejection. What's causing this inconsistency? It's due to a single outlier pair. I said, Burger King's nuggets cost 110 lira, while McDonald's cost 335 lira, a difference of 225 lira. This situation increased the variance in the parametric test. However, since the Wilcoxon test uses ranking rather than raw values, it does not overlook this situation. In all 6 different pairs, Burger King is cheaper. Another surprising finding, the person correlation between energy and price is 0.127 with p equal 0.025, statistically significant. So it seems like higher calorie items cost more. But when I applied Spearman rank correlation, the coefficient dropped to negative 0.008 with p equal to 0.886, essentially zero. The relationship completely vanishes. This tells us the person result was driven by a handful of influential points, not by a genuine trend. This is actually why non-parametric methods matter. And we have a little limitation, FEV important. Serving size data in grams was unavailable, preventing a price per gram analysis on the individual item. Price were included, no combo. KFC was excluded entirely. All data reflects a signal point in time April 2026. And Turkish price change frequently. Finally, Domino's represents over 31% of the dataset. This is a very huge percentage, which may create some overrepresentation. And the report. The full report, the complete datasets, and some code are available throughout this QR code and cable. You can see. I would like to thank you for your attention, and I am happy to take this project. Goodbye.